Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session we're going to explore Viparita Karani and we're going to use a wooden brick. This is from Eyal Shifroni's Props for Yoga, his volume on inversions. You'll also need to take the short edge of your mat to a wall because you're going to take your legs up the wall. Okay, so we'll start by just placing your brick off to the side. Now this is the tricky part, getting in. So you want to come onto your side and bring both buttock bones into the wall so that you get as close to the wall as possible. Okay, and then you swing your legs up, and then at this point you can shimmy yourself so that you get into the wall a little bit closer. Ideally, you're trying to get your buttocks and your thighs as close to the wall as possible. Also, I recommend taking out, if you have a ponytail, taking that out just so that the head can be flat. Then take your brick, bend your knees, press into the wall, and you're going to take your brick on its highest height and have the widest part of the brick so it's parallel with the wall. And then move your sacrum onto the brick. And then you can interlace your fingers around the brick, straighten the arms, and roll your upper arms out so you come onto the tops of the shoulders. Your heels can be resting on the wall with the legs straight, pressing the arms down. Or you can take your heels slightly away from the wall. So the heels are directly over the hips. And then you can release, bend the knees, and come on out. Lift the pelvis up, release the pelvis down, slide back, roll to your right side, and come on up. If that highest part of the brick is a little bit too high for you, you can always have the brick on its second height. See how that height does for you. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about this video, and we'll leave some benefits in the in the notes section and also some contraindications. Happy practicing. Namaste.